Hi, I'm Andy Bortz, and I'm the Senior Instructional Technology Support Specialist in the Office of Information Technology. In this video, we are going to take you on a Crestron touch panel tour of your Rebel Flex classroom. After you've powered on the system, you will be taken to the source page on the touch panel. This is where you can select if you want to display different sources in the room, such as the lectern computer, document camera, or even your own laptop. Once you've thought about selecting a source, you can position the room's camera to make sure that you are in the shot and visible to your remote audience. You can use a lectern view, a front of room view, or move the camera to any position that you choose. You can also adjust the volume level from the speakers in the room. If the audio coming from the speakers is too soft, you can raise the volume. If it is too loud, you can lower the volume. You can also mute the volume using the mute button. There are additional buttons that may be beneficial to you. You have a button that mutes all microphones in the room. You also have a button that will allow you to stop all video from being displayed to your in-person class and remote audience. If you won't be recording your class sessions, you can skip this section. If you will be recording your classes, we recommend recording in both Panopto and Zoom. Panopto as your primary recording, and Zoom as your backup. You can verify that your scheduled Panopto recording will start and stop on time by pressing the lecture capture button on the touch panel. You can also start a Panopto recording on the fly by pressing the Record Now button on the Panopto page. If you are recording in Zoom, you can click the Record button in your Zoom interface to start your recording. We recommend recording to the cloud for best results. We hope this video helps. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us for assistance.